Hi, I'm makeup artist Tyron Machhausen and I want to chat about beautiful, perfect summer skin and also how to master subtle and natural contour and talk about reverse contour. I think there are so many different ways to achieve a beautiful sculpted look and also so many different and more modern ways to play with light and shadow. Okay, let's start with an absolute kid favorite and the product I cannot live without. Baume Essentiel. This is a multi-use glow stick, which is actually perfect for reverse contouring. You might ask, what is reverse contouring? So instead of working with shadow, the contour, I'm placing points of light to define the facial features. And the stick comes in 3 different shades: transparent, sculpted, and golden light. And transparent is clear without any shimmer. Sculpted is this beautiful pearlescent light beige. And golden light is this yummy brown, taupish, golden pearlescent bronze sheen. The shade Sculpted is great for fair to medium skin tones, and Golden Light works on a variety of different skin tones. If you use it for fairer skin tones, it's more like a blushy, bronzy color. But for deeper skin tones, it gives this intense golden glow, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then, of course, transparent works for any skin tone since there's no color in it at all. And it just gives an overall dewy finish. So now let's talk about how to apply. I love using this dual-ended concealer brush for the application because it gives me a little bit more control. And since I have to set focus points of light, it really helps me with the precision. So for the placement, you go to the highest point of the face, which is like the very top of the cheekbone right here, then right below the brow bone there on both sides, and then the cupid's bow right here. And if you really want to emphasize your eyes, you can go in and do the inner corner of the eye, the inner V. And I love to use the fluffy side for the cheeks and for right under the brow. And then for more precision for the cupid's bow, I love to use the flat side. So I can just go on the little V here on the cupid's bow and the V on the inner corner of the eye. What it does actually, where you apply it, it makes the area appear more prominent. It's like an optical illusion. It like pulls your face forward. It kind of like, it snatches your face. But it's also really important to concentrate your shine and your highlights on the sides of the face and keep the center more shine free. The only exception is the little V and the V for the inner corner of the eye. Especially if you tend to have oilier skin, it's better to just concentrate more on the sides. One of my absolute favorite is I use it for eyes and lips as well. So imagine like just a monochromatic look with the high points, and then you put it on your eyelids and on your lip. It's absolutely beautiful, especially in summer. So try it. And this is another great summer product. But actually it's kind of like a great whenever product, whenever you need the glow. It's the Sheer Healthy Glow Highlighting Fluid. And you can use it on its own, or you can mix it with foundation. And this is something that I absolutely love because you can control the level of glow that you're going for. So it's such a great summer look. It reminds me of Brigitte Bardot by the beach or Romy Schneider in La Piscine. It's just this glow that you have when you were on the boat all day or by the pool all day, and then you go for dinner and you still have this like rosy cheeks and this like sun glowing skin. And basically all you need is a pump of the fluid and a drop of foundation, a little bit of mascara, and maybe cream apricot blush, and you're ready to go. So it's really versatile, and it comes in 2 gorgeous shades, Pearly Glow and Sun-Kissed. And this is literally like sun in a bottle. The highlighting fluid is absolutely gorgeous on natural non-makeup skin as well. Just use your finger, dab it on the highest points, and it gives you this instant boost of radiance. It also works great over makeup. After your makeup is done and you might feel it needs a little bit more dimension or a pop of light, you can apply it, but I do it a little bit different. I give a little pump on the back of my hand, spread it, and then I'm going to use my blush brush, swirl through it, and this allows me to just pick up the right amount of product. And then I go in to the highest points, everywhere I feel I need a pop of light and some radiance, and ready to go. And also, it's summer, so don't forget the neck. And also it's beautiful on the collarbone and the shoulders. And I love to use the kabuki brush for that because it's super soft and feels like you're treating yourself. Let's talk about another summer staple, bronzer. And this is the new reformulated version of the iconic Soleil Teint de Chanel bronzer. And I have to say, it got even better. The texture is amazing. It's this cream gel, it's hard to explain, but it glides on so easily. It's so perfectly blendable, and the color is just gorgeous. It really gives you the sun-kissed feel. It's not orangey whatsoever. The way to apply bronzer is to apply it where the sun would naturally hit the face, which is the forehead, the cheeks, the chin, and the nose. It's basically to warm up your complexion and to cheat a little bit, to give the illusion as if you would have spent a whole day by the beach to get this beautiful summer glow. And then for the tools, my favorite tool to apply it is this blush brush. And the reason is it's very, very dense, and that makes it easy with blending and applying. And then it has a broad and a skinny side. So it's great to apply it with the skinny side. It's more precise, and then really blend it with the broader side. And blending is key anyway, and especially with your hairline. It's most important that everything is blended into your hairline. With bronzer, it always has to be seamless. And then also take it down and blend it down the neck as well. Most people in summer use higher SPF on the face and the neck, so naturally those places are a little bit lighter. So bronzer is great to even all that out. And if you have great skin, it's perfect to use on its own, just primer, and then go and blend the bronzer on top of it. But it's also great to just use on top of foundation. This was my little excursion into the world of summer glow, sculpting and contouring. Hope you enjoyed it.